In today's video, I'm going to be sharing 5 recession-proof businesses. Yes, so recessions are actually a natural part of the economic cycle. Yes, coming and going like the tides. Despite the inevitable economic challenges, entrepreneurs pour their time, energy, and resources into starting their companies, hoping for success, and even during times of economic uncertainty, savvy entrepreneurs understand that waiting for the perfect moment to start a business is futile. Yes, a better tactic is to opt for a company that can withstand the test of time and economic downturns by choosing recession-proof industries. Yes, and in today's video, I'm going to explore 5 recession-proof businesses that can offer the potential for lasting success and stability regardless of the economic climate. If this is something you're interested in, please keep on watching this video all the way till the end. So let's dive into these opportunities and discover how specific businesses that do well in a recession can provide peace of mind for both entrepreneurs in both prosperous and challenging times. And in case you're wondering, what is a recession-proof business? A recession-proof business is one that is not as heavily impacted by economic effects of a recession, typically stemming from industries that provide basic needs. And because they offer needed products and services, they are the last industries to be affected by changes in consumer spending. To be clear, there is no such thing as fully recession-proof business. Every recession is completely different and impossible to predict. For example, the real estate market crashed in 2008, but it actually thrived in the early 2000s. Yes, in the early 2000s recession. However, some recession-proof industries are much more likely to weather the storm regardless of what causes the economy to falter. Now, what businesses do well in a recession? In case you're wondering, recession-proof businesses are those that are found in sectors that thrive even during economic downturns. Now, while you're still walking around the whole street looking for a location to rent a shop, let me fill you in on the secrets. Do you know that you can have a virtual store and not pay rent to maintain it? Yes, like I always say, guys, money is everywhere, but do you really need a magnifying glass to see it? Let me be your magnifying glass. Yes, so and let's pack this money together. I know that I don't like to just enjoy alone. I love to carry you guys along with me. And in today's video, I'm going to be uncovering 5 businesses that you can do and you will never go hungry again. The first one on my list here is food business. Food. Yes, so you can sell 3 liters bowl, 5 liters, 10 liters. Yes, so and you can target bachelors, spinsters, even married people. People hustle a lot these days, and you can take the stress off their chest, off cooking from their chest. So why not? In case you are thinking, hey, can I even do this thing? Look, I have done it before when I was in grad school. Yes, so I sold a plate of food for $100. You don't want to know how many plates I sold. Plates, not trays. Oh yeah, take a guess. So guys, make sure that you turn on your notification bells for my channel so that you get notified every single time I publish a new video. If you're new here, please introduce yourselves. I want to know you and meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. And to all of my Patreon members, you guys are amazing. If you'd like to join my Patreon membership, please find the link in the description and comments. And in the comments, yes, if you join my Patreon membership, do you know that you can get a free one-on-one consultation with me? We can talk about money, business, grants, everything in between. Without further ado, guys, let's just get right into the business. Oh, I have not introduced myself yet. So while you're introducing yourselves, let me also introduce myself. My name is Mariam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, mom, student, entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share with you valuable resources. So make sure that you make it a date to tune into this channel every single day. There's always something for you every single day. Without further ado, let's get right back into the real business for today. Come with me, let's go.
Mariam A.
So guys, I'm just going to list some of the services that you can offer. Do you know you can offer automotive services? Yes, during a recession. You can offer childcare services during a recession. You can offer real estate services. Yes, during recession. You can offer financial services. Yes, so you can also offer home improvement services. You can offer pet care services. Yes, so you can also offer business consulting software as a service. You can offer healthcare. Yes, senior health services. Recession-proof businesses typically cater to non-negotiable needs, and they offer products or services that people cannot easily forgo. When you provide essential solutions, these businesses ensure their relevance and demand even during economic downturns. Additionally, sustaining affordable prices plays a crucial role in their resilience during challenging times. When consumers become more budget conscious in recessions, businesses offering competitive pricing are generally better positioned to retain customers and maintain a steady revenue stream. So guys, regardless of how the economy looks, when you decide to start your own business, setting yourself up with a recession-proof business is a solid plan. You never know what the future holds, and these business ideas that I've given to you can give you some assurance now and for years to come. Now, in case you're wondering, what is the automotive services industry? Yes, it includes all post-purchase services necessary to keep a car in working order, like oil changes, tire repairs, air conditioning, electrical inspections plus body repair. Yes, so painting and so much more. The market is actually expected to register a 3% compound annual growth rate over the next 5 years, which is going to reach a value of 76.91 billion in 2027. Why is it recession proof? If people are not buying new cars, you best believe they are doing everything they can to take care of the ones that they have. Cars inevitably need maintenance as they age and have more miles put on them, even during a recession. Plus, as long as the freight industry continues to remain strong, there will be need for servicing big rigs and delivery trucks. Examples are oil change services. People and businesses that rely on cars and trucks are required, to get an oil change periodically to keep their vehicles functioning correctly. The oil change industry has stayed separate from full service garages, and the drive-through models mean businesses can keep the processes quick and money flowing. Another one you can do is tire services. Now, tires only last so long, so people and businesses alike eventually have to purchase a new set of tires for their vehicles. Technological advances will continue to power the industry with the introduction of smart tires and more sustainable alternatives. Now, as a mechanic or electrical worker, cars become more difficult for people to repair and maintain by themselves. They'll be forced to go to professionals when it comes to time. However, shops must stay up to date with properly trained technicians and the technology needed to repair new vehicles. Another one is the childcare services. You know what time it is, guys? Times have changed. More and more families have two working parents, whether out of necessity or personal preference. Paid childcare services provide supervision, care, and sometimes education to infants and young children. Childcare services were valued at $54.3 billion in 2019, and it will continue to grow. From 2020 to 2027, there's an expected compound annual growth rate of 3.9%. Why is it recession proof? During the recession, parents may have to work longer hours or even more than one job. While historically expensive, childcare services are still one of the last costs that parents abandon. Not to mention that they usually make up a significant part of the budget. It's not just about a safe place to leave your child while you're at work. For so many, it is the first step of their growth and education. So examples are in-home childcare centers. Small group of children are cared for by one or two caregivers in a private home. These centers are more flexible with more hours and age grouping, and offer a home-like environment for kids. They also have preschool programs. They are designed to prepare children for school, and these programs offer their education and childcare on a full day or half day basis. They also provide a place for young children to practice social skills. Admission to an area's best preschools can often be very competitive. They also have child care centers. Now, larger daycare centers typically group children by age, and they have multiple staff members looking after the kids. These programs can overlap preschool and even offer activities meant to start developing young minds. The next one here is real estate. What is it? What exactly is real estate? Now, the real estate industry involves the sale of land, residential, commercial, and industry properties. But there are other businesses involving real estate that also thrive during recession, like property management or investment firm. Now, an example is Zillow Group. They expect that home value will continue to rise, going up to 7.8% in the next 12 months. And why is it recession proof? It might surprise you, it might interest you to know that real estate on my list when you consider the Great Recession. However, that real estate is on my list. However, historically speaking, a recession does not always mean the housing market will crash. As of right now, home prices continue to rise. Even if the prices drop, it will still be the perfect opportunity for investors. While prices fluctuate short term, the sector is more usually stable in the long run. Real estate has been proven to be one of the most pandemic-proof businesses as the housing market boomed.